When you remember companies like Nokia, BlackBerry, what do you remember? Do you remember their failure, or do you remember the good times, the glory days where they sold devices to millions of people, right? Not anymore. BlackBerry, the symbol of corporate lifestyle, the symbol of working on the move with your mobile in your hand, not anymore. Nokia sold phones to uncles, aunties, my father, my mom, myself, kids, uh, people from every walk of life, not anymore. Why these companies failed? I mean, BlackBerry, Nokia, what happened to them? What happened to these companies? I know in so many blogs they have written that it's about the OS. The BlackBerry 10 OS was launched in 2012, too late to innovate, and a lot of people say that it's Nokia's bad decision um, of adopting Microsoft OS instead of Android, and all these reasons. Okay, all these are technological reasons. I mean, they are reasons based on tech, on technological backgrounds. But there is another reason that we all should understand as entrepreneurs, as people who see things happening around us. It's about a lesson of enormous success and how to deal with that. The thing is, when you are successful, right, and when you reach a level of very high success, like larger than life, like you're dealing with billions of dollars of market cap, and you have people using your services or using your devices, using your creations, that is spanning over millions or billions. When you feel that success, it has the ability to blur the vision, to blur the vision, to blur the line between right and wrong, to blur your ability to innovate, ability to see something that is absolutely wrong or absolutely right. Okay? Because success comes in flashy clothes, it flashes all around you. It's like a red carpet, and you cannot see beyond that. You can only see the flashes, and it really kills your ability to innovate at times. And it is the ability of the companies to see beyond that flashlight is what differentiates between companies who have a longer span on success, who have a longer span in the market, and the companies who are now out of the market. Because it can cost you market share deadly enough that you'll be on the verge of closing, or you're looking at avenues to come back. Like BlackBerry right now is trying to come back, but I'm not sure if it is possible or not. That is debatable, because failure comes wearing rubber sneakers, and you cannot see it coming, you cannot hear it coming, because you're too much indulged into that success zone. So you have to be very careful. And I personally think it's the ability of an entrepreneur or a company to see and adapt the change is what matters. Because change is very close to you. It's this close to you. Or no, maybe it's this close to you. And it is there. It is coming to you. And it's up to you if you want that change to be a slap on your face, a shocking slap, or you want that change to caress you and gives you the feeling, the knowledge, the ability to adapt. So what do you think about this whole debate? Because we have to really be adaptive to change. Are you adaptive to change as an entrepreneur or as a company? Okay, think about it.